pallet. You're looking on top for any splits or breaks or off board. This board right here is off. Alright, it needs to be nailed right here on this corner because this nail is up. You also check it by picking it up, pulling it to you, looking up underneath. You inspect all four corners, inspect the other corners. This board's going to be deeply nailed. So you put it on your waist here, one hand here, picking it up, placing it on your table. That's how you want to clean it. You grab the corners right here with your hand so that you square up this corner with this board. Pick up your gun, slide. You see how I'm shuffling my feet? Slide your feet. Don't lean out. Hold one here. This gun is not loaded properly. Alright? Yes, it is. Everything's going well. Bend the board to you, two hands. Alright. That was an excessive amount of nails. I should not use that many. So that means turn the pallet over, flip it to you, nail the split. Put your gun back, pull your pallet to you, still put it on your waist, pick it up the same way, walk it to your secure spot. Pallet should be good. Same thing with this pallet. Pull it to your waist, check for splits here, check for splits there, and this pallet is perfectly good. Same way, walk it back over here, set it on your area. Checking for splits, making sure the block is solid. Right here, everything there is solid except for these nails. So I'm going to turn it upside down on my pallet, pick up my hammer. I'm going to place a board on this end here to cover up this block. You see this block here? It's keeping this whole runner together. So I'm going to put a board here. Spin the pallet to it. Secure it with my hand right here. Pressure with this hand. Put a nail in the block. Put my gun out to the right so I can spin it to myself. Pick it up. Rebuild pallets.